Question 1. Determine the type of roots for each of the following quadratic function. Then sketch the graph and make generalization on the position of the graph on the x-axis. Okay. So to find the type of roots, first we can do b square minus 4ac. We can do this for all three to find what's the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, let's do. So b is 6, a will be -3, c will be -3 as well, the whole thing. So here our graph is 6 square minus 4 times -3 times -3. We get 0. So b square minus 4ac is 0. So this will tell us that the graph has two real and equal roots. Then for b, we do the same thing. 2 square minus 4, a is 1, c is -3. 2 square minus 4 times 1 times -3. We get 16. So b square minus 4ac is more than 0. If b square minus 4ac is more than 0, this one will have two real and different roots. Okay, and the last one, b square will be -8 square minus 4ac. -8 square minus 4a and c. We get -16, which is lesser than 0. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, it has no real roots. Okay, now let's try sketching them. So if you have two real and equal roots, you must have a graph either like this, where it touches only at one point, or the graph can also be like that, where it touches at one point. So this one depends on the value of a. If the a is positive, the graph will be a smiley face. If the a is negative, the graph will be a sad face. So in this case, our a is negative, so our graph will look something like this. Okay, and as you can see, we have two equal and same roots. That means we only got, both roots are the same lah. It only touches at one point. Okay. Right. Next, b. Okay, for b, it has two real and different roots. So it can be like this. Alamak. Okay, never mind. I just draw this lah. Either like this or like this. In this case, our a is 1, which is positive. So positive means smiley face. So this one is only for negative. So answer will be this. Two equal roots. And here, no real roots. No real roots means it will not cut the x-axis, either like that or like this. But since this is a positive a, so our graph will be a smiley face. So smiley face means this one will be wrong lah. This one is for negative a. So we list this. So this will be our answer for C. Okay, let's just sketch this on the graphing calculator. Let's see if it's real or not. So I'm going to sketch this equation on the graphing calculator. -3x, 6x minus 3. So this is the first one. Yep. So as you can see here, the graph only touches at one point. And this is our graph shape lah, which is correct. B, x square plus 2x minus 3. Plus 2x minus 3. This is our graph. It cuts at two different roots. It has two different roots, and it's a smiley face, which is correct. It cuts at two different roots. And lastly, 4x squared minus 8x plus 5. Plus 5, yes, correct. So you can see here the graph doesn't touch the x-axis. So it is floating above the x-axis, but a smiley face. So this is correct. Okay, so this will be our answers. So whenever our b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we will get two real and equal roots. If more than 0, two real different roots. And if it's lesser than 0, we will not get any real roots. So there are no real roots lah. Roots is when the graph cuts the x-axis. In this case, it doesn't cut, so no real roots. That's it.